to Mel's Kitchen. Thank you for all of the subscribers, and for those who did not subscribe yet, please subscribe to my channel. Today we will be making Ube Kutsinta. We will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ube flavoring, 1 teaspoon of lye water, and for our dry ingredients, we will be needing 1/2 cup of white flour, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 3 tablespoons of tapioca powder. First, we will mix in all of our dry ingredients. Okay. There you go, our flour, our sugar, and our tapioca powder. Okay, you just want to make sure that it's mixed in thoroughly. Then we will put in the water. Okay, and we will mix it again. Sorry for my voice, it's kind of bedroom voice today. Okay, we just want to make sure that there's no more lump in our mixture. Okay, now that it's already smooth, we will put in our 1 teaspoon of lye water. And our 1 teaspoon of ube flavor. Okay, we just want to make sure that it's mixed well. Looks good. Okay, now it's ready to transfer to a container or our pan. Okay, before we transfer our mixture into the pan, we will have to ready our oven. I will let you see if there's another tray inside the oven, and I fill it up with water so our oven will also act like a steamer. Okay, then we will set our oven to 325 degrees and preheat it for 5 minutes, and then we have to cook our Ube Kutsinta for like 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, there you go. Our oven is preheating. Now we have to put oil spray on our pan so it would be easy for us to remove our mixture later when it's cooked. Just divide it by using a measuring cup. Okay, we will gonna put like 3/4 full on each. You know, kucinta is a Filipino delicacy, and it's made of sweet rice flour or just white flour and tapioca powder. And then when it's cooked, we will mix it with grated coconut. Okay, let me get the rest. Okay, it seems like we only have one more left. Okay. You just wipe the extra, mixture that dropped here, so it would be clean and good. Now we will wait for like 1 more minute and it's ready to go to the oven. Now it's ready, we will put it in our oven. Ooh, it's kind of hot. I'll see you in 30 to 40 minutes. Now that it's already 30 minutes, we will check our ube kutsinta if it's already cooked by inserting a toothpick to it. If it comes out clean, then it means our kucinta is already cooked. I mean, since we're not using the stove, it means it's already baked. Our toothpick came out clean. It means that it's done already. Now we will remove it in the oven. Oh, it's so hot, so we need to remove the other tray too, so it would be easy. Okay, now we will give it time to cool down before we do our plating. Okay, now that it's already cool, we use a spatula to remove it on the pan, and we place it on our plate, and we put a grated coconut on our middle dish. And now it's time to taste. By the way, before I forgot, shout out to Wilfredo Yambao. He's the one who requested to make this kucinta, but I made a little twist on it. Instead of just making the conventional or the usual kucinta, I added ube to it to make it, look yummy and look good. Okay, it's time to taste. You'll put some coconut to it. It's delicious. Tastes like kucinta and with ube flavor to it. Yummy. Once again, thank you so much for all of the subscribers, and for those who did not subscribe yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button and also the bell button so you would be notified if we have any new videos. Once again, thank you and God bless. Bye for now.